Hey there! So today I went on an amazing adventure in St. Pete, Florida. It's right near the coast, and I went and had breakfast with my friend Carmen. We went and saw some really amazing sights, but mostly we toured this shipping container farm that's in a really urban area. And we wanted to share this with you because we were so excited about this concept. So come along with us. We're going to take you on a little tour through our breakfast through St. Petersburg, Florida, so you can see that area and show you a little bit of our pictures from today from our hangout session, and just invite you along on our adventure. So I hope you enjoy. St. Petersburg has so much to offer. I really love this area. Hey, Carmen. I'd love to come here with friends and family and bring them here, especially if you have a lot of tourists in mind. There's the art museum. We're right there at the harbor where the yacht club is. There's lots of great places to eat and to walk around. Everything's within walking distance, and so many art museums and cool history. This was our breakfast at Cass's Restaurant in St. Pete, right there on the water, and there's Carmen and her fabulous breakfast. And we just had some fun girl time today, hanging out and catching up. Hey everybody, and welcome to ShareShed TV. Today we are taking a little field trip. We're here in St. Petersburg, Florida, and we're going to a neat place called Brick Street Farm. It's such a neat concept. They actually grow microgreens and lettuces out of shipping containers, and so we're gonna go check that out. And I'm Ann.
I'm Carmen.
Yes, and so I got my buddy with me today, my shotgun rider, and so we're just going to go on this little adventure. We're going to take you along with us so that you can learn what we're learning. All right, so stick around. So here's what we see when we first get out of the car are all the shipping containers all lined up in a small to medium-sized parking lot in their front entryway. It's so welcoming and inviting. I really love what they're doing here. Here's their front entryway, really lovely with the logo. Support your local farmers. I couldn't agree more, guys. Here's another look at those shipping containers where they grow their lettuce and greens and other things. And this is the store. Very organized, lots of locally grown things. Of course, their lettuces, other produce that they may be growing or partnering with local farmers. Just some pictures on how they do things in these containers since we can't really look inside just yet. And that's our tour of Brick Street Farm. Okay, so we just went and toured Brick Street Farm, and we hope you loved the little video that I put together. I thought it was the neatest concept ever. They are definitely invested in partnering with people that are not able to grow food in their area. They're wanting to make sure that they're supporting local and supporting local growers and small businesses and collaborating wherever it's local. Such a cool place. I mean, like, what do you think?
No, I was just telling you that it is true. Like what you put in your body, your whole face, your body, everything reflects that. Because I was admiring their skin and how healthy they look. You know, It's not like they're not eating junk. Everything is fresh and homegrown.
Yeah, the two women that we saw, they were probably in their early 20s. And really flawless complexion. We were like, wow, okay, what kind of cream are you using, girlfriend? I need some of that. But I think it's in the lettuce. It might be in the greens that they're eating and everything. And they just couldn't have been nicer. They're not giving tours right now just for food safety reasons. I completely respect that, and don't want a bunch of people breathing around the food I'm gonna eat too. So, but a very neat concept. This is a very urban area in the heart of St. Pete, Florida, near downtown area, and there's a lot of like nightlife and a lot of restaurants, a lot of people. There's not a lot of land. So this is literally a warehouse space with an empty parking lot that they are using these shipping containers in these buildings. And so with that, I mean, I'm pretty blown away with what they're able to do with such a little amount of space. I mean, if my grandmother always said, if there's a will, there's a way. It's kind of like my container garden. So anyway, thank you so much for joining us right now, guys. We got more stuff to do. We'll see you later. Bye. Bye. So that concludes our tour of Brick Street Farms. I hope you really enjoyed yourself, and we'll see you next time. But first, guys, let's check out this basil. It's huge. I mean, when you're growing stuff in a controlled environment,
These things are the size of the palm of my hand. I thought it was spinach at first, but no, it's basil. I mean, think about all the things that I can make with this, like pestos and sauces and salads, or I can just eat it by itself. And it tastes amazing. I gotta find out how to do more of this. I gotta hook up that grow light in my garage. Okay, I think we got another project in the works here. Before I forget, here's my awesome finds from today. See y'all later.